friends, we are here again to learn more about polycystic ovarian syndrome, that is PCOS. Today we are going to discuss about adolescent PCOS, means age group 10 to 19 years. And for every one of us, this age group is very important because PCOS starts from this age group only. As I already mentioned you, genetically predisposed girls due to mismanaged lifestyle, that is sedentary lifestyle, lack of exercise, eating junk foods. Along with that, in this college and school girls, there is a lot of tension, stress, tension, tuitions. And nowadays in Corona, this is the e-learning. So many things are there, which are adding or creating many problems in her small life. And we must understand all these problems. So what is happening? A lot of hormonal disturbances. So that's why irregular menstrual cycle. Then male, sometimes there is a male hormone predominance. That's why many times we see that the girl is getting androgen dependent characters over her body. Like that, increasing hairs over the face, body. Then increasing the pimples also, and blackish discoloration around the neck, that is called as the acanthosis nigricans. So these are the problems. And why we are worried? Because these problems, if they are not treated properly, so they are going to create more problems in her further life, that is in the reproductive life and the perimenopausal life. So this is very important point for us and for the girl and girl parents and for the whole family, that they should understand this problem. And the first thing what we do, we counsel the girl and the family, and then there are some investigations, and then we start the treatment. So counseling means what we are doing. So initially we generally ask the one question: at what time do you get up? Many times the answer is really, you all know. Very few girls, they are getting up earlier, and that is, if they are getting up, that is only for their school and colleges. Otherwise, if you see the life pattern, it has really become very difficult because they are getting up late, even they are going to bed very late. So that's why these are problems. Again, they are the problems, they get increased more and more. So proper lifestyle management is very important. This is one important lesson. Second is diet. So we are going to talk regarding diet also. I am going to tell you regarding the how to plan your diet, because most of these girls, it is very difficult for them to manage all these things. So it is very important, two important things, that the getting up earlier, then proper diet and exercise. These three things are very important to reduce the symptoms in 50% of patients. So remember, today's this tip is very important, because nowadays I would like to tell one thing. Many of my patients, especially the college girls, they enter my chamber and what they say, ma'am, I am having PCOS. Actually, there is only one name. There's a polycystic ovarian syndrome, that is PCOS. And this girl already, they have consulted the one doctor, that's a Dr. Google, before meeting to me. So I always tell them, it is nice that you found your problem, but now listen to your gynecologist and please start your treatment, because you are knowing your problems, and the main is the lifestyle management. This is the answer. Thank you.